Always ready to blow me down.
Hey cousins, welcome back to my channel. So we're just going to jump right in. For this tutorial, you're going to be needing crochet hair, you're going to be needing a scrunchie or hair tie, and that's just it. So basically, as you can see, there's a twist up there, so you just want to loosen it a bit to create the loop, and then you want to pass it through the scrunchie, your hair tie, and then the stuff that you open, the place that you opened, you pass the tip. You basically pass the remaining hair, the remaining crochet into that hole to create a loop. I don't know if you guys can understand it. I'll show you how to do it again. This is how it should look. Here's me doing it again. You twist open that part, the top part of your crochet. You twist it open like so, and then you pass it through the scrunchie rather. You pass it through, and you just want to take the remaining hair and pass inside the hole. I hope this one is clear. You pass it inside the hole that you made at the top of the crochet hair, and that's it. I'll show you guys one more time how to do this. So guys, here's what your braided ponytail should look like. It should be round, everything all in the scrunchie, and then you just want to join it together, and then you use another scrunchie or hair tie, pass that under your already made ponytail, and then just make a knot like so to just like tie it so you can be able to use it on your hair. So here, your ponytail is ready. I'm going to show you guys how to use this. So guys, here's my hair in a protective style. As you can see, cornrows. I did not do this by myself because I cannot make cornrows by myself, so I had someone do it for me. So basically, we're just going to lay our edges. Yeah, and by the way, this hairstyle, this hairdo, this easy hairdo is very good for 40 hair because it's a protective hairstyle. You just attach your ponytail and you remove it whenever you want to. So yeah, so guys, you just want to attach your ponytail to your ponytail, if that makes sense, and yeah, you'd want to arrange it so it looks nice, but I'm not going to be doing that because I am using a scrunchie on my ponytail. Yeah, just to look cute. You can use any accessory that you want to use, clips, pins, whatever. Just do you, girl. And that's it, guys. That's it. This very easy hairdo. You know, you're rushing somewhere and you want to look good, just do this and look bomb, babies. And your girl standing out, please do not forget to subscribe, share this video if you found it very helpful, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.